Here I've got KYOCERA Torque G03, and let me show you how to activate demo mode on the following device. So first of all, let's open the list of all apps and go to the settings then. Now reach developer options. If you cannot find developer mode right here, just take a look at our tutorial on how to unlock developer mode and then click on developer options. Here you will notice, just scroll a bit lower, and here you will notice system demo mode. Click on it and you can smoothly activate it by tapping on enable demo mode. If you want to make it visible, just click on show demo mode, and that's it. As you can see, it is active. You can see the difference even in status bar, and then whenever you would like to switch this mode off, just mark the switcher, and this is it. So that will be all. So you can activate demo mode, how you can switch it off also. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.